If you're a frequent flyer at your local Planned Parenthood because you just can't afford to have them, then follow the channel because I'm going to teach you all the things that you need to step up your game. Like how to change this keyed switch. This keyed switch goes to a little power moving unit. And we already did all the troubleshooting and we found that this switch is bad. So let's get this bad boy swapped out. I'm going to be using a 4mm hex key to get these 4 bolts off in order to remove this cover plate. Alright, so the bolts are removed, so let's get this plate off. We had to get this cover plate off in order to access the nut that holds in the keyed switch. So as you guys can see right there, there's a little nut on that keyed switch. So I'm going to use these little throat goats in order to get that nut off. After a couple little turns, you should be able to do it by hand. After you get that nut loose, you're going to want to use a pair of needle nose pliers in order to remove the terminals that are hooked onto the keyed switch. Now you can yank your switch out. So here I got the brand new switch, and I'm going to go ahead and get that bad boy fitted in there. There she is. So now I got to fit this nut on the back side. You want to make sure that you get that nut nice and tightened in, that way your key switch is not flopping around. The old one that I removed was just a little bit loose and it was flopping around in there. Next step is to reach deep down in there and get your wiring back on this terminals. So I just used these needle nose pliers to get my spade connectors back on those wiring terminals. So before we move any further, let's see if this thing turns on. And yes, we have success. We are ready to go, boys. So now I'm just going to replace the forward and reverse switch, replace my cover plate, and all 4 bolts. And that pretty much wraps it up for this one, boys. Till the next time, stay safe out there.